Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre, so go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2 cents of whether you should begin this video. Let's go.
Music sounds better dancing even when I'm alone. I lost the beat, had to find it all on my own. If you're not gonna let me live, gotta let it go. Tired of life in the lines, wanna lose control, lose control. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I've been getting better, singing on cloudy days. Guess to find the rainbow, gotta go through the rain. If it's not gonna bring me up, gotta go up, up and away. Tired of life in gray, wanna fill up the space, fill up the space. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I can feel it taking over, moving closer back to me. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. No more tears wash me away. I'm remembering who I was, 'cause I'm back in Techno. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I can feel it taking over. We're moving closer back to me. I'm back in Technicolor, Technicolor, Technicolor. I'm back in Techno, I'm back in color, color. I'm back in Techno, I'm back in color. I'm back in Techno, I'm back in color, color. Back to me.
So now that you've watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The wig that you watch me install is Outre in their melted hairline in the style Begonia. I have Begonia in the color DRFF Amber Sunset. Again, DRFF Amber Sunset. 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one on the back, as well as adjustable straps, as well as a wide elastic band. She is premium synthetic fiber 2x5 deluxe wide lace part, completely pre-plucked with sideburns. She has natural baby hairs, heat safe up to 400 degrees. She is a L part, and the hair part is wavy. The hair texture is silky. The hair length is long. I think she's 20 inches. I don't know. I cut her anyway, so it don't even matter. She is, yeah. So that's it for Begonia. So this is what she looks like. As you can see, not like the stock card, because I cut it, and the reason why I cut it, because mine was longer than this. I felt like it was a little bit longer, so I cut it to kind of match this because that's what I wanted. So yeah. So Begonia again in the color DRFF Amber Sunset, and as you can see, all the beautiful colors. Yeah, she is very bigot friendly. Very, very big and friendly. Like there's a whole lot of space left under there. She is beginner friendly. I just put her on and I didn't even lay her down or anything. I didn't do any baby hairs. She does shed. I don't know if it's because I cut the lace, but she does shed. She does have a tad bit of flyaways, but I think if you add hairspray, she should hold up pretty good. But overall, great unit. Just a little too long for my liking, so I did go ahead and cut her. But I still love the unit. So if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and see you in the next week. Bye, guys.